Talking to superiors? Absolutely use formal language. Talking to peers? Use informal. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel English with Farshad. In this video, together we cover the differences between formal and informal English and learn how and when to use each of them. If you're ready, just keep up with me and let's find it out! Sorry for the noise, I can't believe it. In the middle of recording, the rain has been started. Knowing when to use formal or informal English at work will depend on the business, the industry, who you're speaking with, and what you're talking about. When you're working cross-culturally or with the people you don't know very well, using formal language will eliminate any misunderstanding and help you sound polite and professional. Keep on with me, and here are 10 tips on how to use formal and informal English. Know in which situations you can use informal language. I'm gonna tell you the main scenarios in which it is best to use formal language. Using very formal English in everyday situations can sound pompous, so always think about the context and target your audience. Use formal language when you're communicating with someone you don't know very well, but you can use informal language in situations that are more relaxed and that involve people that you know well or know each other well. You use formal language in business emails, but you can use informal language in some business correspondence. Use formal language for academic writings or academic articles, but use informal in everyday conversations. Use formal in professional academic situations, but use informal in personal emails. Use formal language in presentations, but use informal on social media. Use formal language in reports, but you can use informal language in advertising. Use formal language in public tenders, but you can use informal language in spontaneous speech. Use formal language for official documents, but you can use informal language for text messages. Talking to superiors? Absolutely use formal language. Talking to peers? Use informal. For legal documents, use formal language. Some meeting minutes? Absolutely use informal. Public speaking, like lectures or speeches? Absolutely use formal. Networking or socializing with clients, you can use informal. Job interviews? Absolutely formal. For team meetings? You can use informal. Grammar. Informal language, grammar is more complex and sentences are generally longer. For example, we regret to inform you that the delivery will be delayed due to adverse weather conditions. Sorry, but the delivery will be late because of the weather. Have you seen my glasses? Have you seen my glasses? Seen my glasses? Seen my glasses? I'm sorry to have kept you waiting. I'm sorry to have kept you waiting. Sorry to keep you waiting. Sorry to keep you waiting. Modal verbs. Formal language uses modal verbs. For example, we would be grateful if blah blah blah. We would be grateful if blah blah blah. Could you kindly inform us blah blah blah. Could you kindly inform us blah blah blah. Pronouns. Formal language is less personal and is more likely to use we as a pronoun rather than I. For example, we can assist in the resolution of this matter. Contact us on our helpline number. I can help you solve this problem. Call me. I can help you solve this problem. Call me. We regret to inform you that blah blah blah. I'm sorry, but We have pleasure in announcing blah blah blah. I'm happy to say blah blah blah. I'm happy to say blah blah blah. Vocabulary. In formal language, words are generally longer. For example, require, require, need, need, or purchase, purchase, buy, buy, acceptable, acceptable, okay, okay, assistance, assistance, help, help. Pronunciation. Speech is generally slower in formal language, allowing for correct and clear pronunciation. And the tone of the voice is more serious. Contractions. These are not used in formal language. In formal language, they are used for easier flow and faster speech. For example, she has decided to accept the job offer. She has decided to accept the job offer. She's decided to accept the job offer. She's decided to accept the job offer. Abbreviations and acronyms. I myself really love it. I'm a fan of them, but they are not used in formal language. For example, as soon as possible, ASAP, as soon as possible, ASAP. Or for example, advertisement, ad or advert, advertisement, ad or advert. Or for example,
photograph,
photo,
photograph,
photo. Colloquial language. This is not used in formal language. For example, would you like a cup of tea? Would you like a cup of tea? Fancy a cuppa? Fancy a cuppa? Would you like to? Would you like to? Do you want to? Do you want to? And the last but not the least, emojis are not used in formal language. I repeat, emojis are not used in formal language. Guys, thank you for watching me again. If you're interested in this kind of topics, just inform me and I will produce this kind of videos in near future. If you enjoy watching this video, please hit the like button for me and leave all your comments below. And for the last but not the least, hit the subscribe button and never miss out any of my videos.